Nerf gun testing. Tape 2. Hey, Nerf war employee, Nerf soldier. Today we are seeing how you are with Nerf weapons, so you can get in the war and save America. Soldier, go grab the weapons on the table. Those? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Which one? Which one do I do first? Anyone you want. I'm not with you. I like it. Now you can reload it. Okay. Okay, I'll reload it. Oh, it isn't reloading. Probably jammed. There. Now reload it. Easy, right? Now fire it. Okay. Nice. Now go grab another one. This one is the same color as the other one. I think it's a grenade launcher, though. I like that one. You're heavy. That was weird, but what is the other gun? A pistol. Nice. It's not really a pistol, actually. It's kind of an assault rifle. Okay. I see what you're saying. Fire it. Hold on. Now fire it. Nice. Now the next is the Left 2x4, which is a shotgun. It's already cocked. Hold on a sec. This is not. Whoa, that must have been the shell you just fired. The other one is, fire it! Nice. And that is Nerf gun training. And that is Nerf gun training. Tape 1. 2. See you, Nerf employee. Nerf war soldier in Nerf gun testing, in Nerf gun firing testing. Tape 3.